Hi guys, so Sima has a new boyfriend and apparently bathi abantu i-boyfriend kaSima inabafazi abawu-2 already okusho ukuthi yena uzoba umfazi wesithathu. Asithemba ukuthi i-boyfriend yakhe ngempela, it's not just content. So guys, let's go through some comments ukuthi abantu bathini. Uthi lona uyasikhulumisa kusho who? Hey, and uyasikhulumisa shemusima usicuphile ufuna ukubona ukuthi usothini kodwa ke asithemba ukuthi into angempela akusiwona umdlalo. Athi unaledi M official afaka amehlo lawa ne-heart shuthi uyaveza ukuthi like she's happy for her because uSima has been single after ahlukana noGhost Hlobi, so maybe it's time manje ukuthi amove on abe nomuntu akho omusha. Athi ubaba lwa M nakya hey asithemba ukuthi uSima akadlali ngathi because so many people are commenting on this and they're happy for her. Asithemba ukuthi into angempela. Athi lona yebo wafaka amehlo anama-hearts nje baningi abantu bayamjabulela nje kuma-comments nje, but most of people bacabanga ukuthi content. Let's hope it's not. Athi lona, why does this feel like AI? Waphendula uSima wathi it is baby uqamba amanga, it's not AI. But yabo the first picture bengicabanga ukuthi AI nami yazi, I don't know why. Hey guys, lele phambili athi washa yabona nje ukuthi people are so happy for her. Let's just hope ukuthi it's not just content i-boyfriend yakhe ngempela because like it's been a while as single and uGhost Hlobi kade move on. Athi lo munye ngaze ngadakwa i-internet, hayi sonke sidakiwe shem, i-internet nje iyavutha kulezi insuku yilokhu uthi usababaza lokhu uqhamuke lokhu kuningi guys, kuningi. Athi love lives here. Athi uSima kimorata. Ooh, Sima is in love, guys. She is in love. I am so happy for her. I am so happy for her. I'm not gonna lie, like I'm so happy for her. I told me, is this not the guy with the 2 wives? Guys, remember, like I'm comments maningi ebesho ukuthi this guy has like 2 wives. So Sima he has 2 wives and then a girlfriend. Asaz, as Lona bro is winning, 2 wives and a girlfriend. Shem, I can't comment more on that because okay angmazi guys, mina angmazi even igama lakhe ngiqala ukulibona namhlanje, like I didn't know anything about him. Hey, athi lona family meeting number 3 on the way. I should le ndaba ukuthi nabafazi abawu-2 is serious bandla because wow, so many people are saying the same thing from ghost to goat. Wow. Hey mina guys, somehow ngibona sengathi lento le bayenzela i-content but ke asazi. So bona as time goes, third wife yabo lama comments alokhe eqhamuka nje ukuthi kanti lo mfana omncane kangaka yena vele how come inabafazi abawu-2 because he looks so young, like akukho lula for me ukuthi ngikholwe ngempela ukuthi nabafazi abawu-2. Like guys, come on guys. Anyway guys, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.